So after doing hundreds of online webinars, I actually came to a conclusion that you should always lead with value and engage and interact with your community on a deeper level. For example, you can simply ask your tribe that's on your live webinars, do you have any questions that I can help you with? Are you struggling? What are you struggling with? And they will actually reveal to you what they are struggling with. And this will give you more content and context on showing people that you are a genuinely authentic content creator that truly just focuses on solving a problem. And you are telling your community, you know what, but I truly care. I know exactly how you feel. I know exactly what you are going through when you are not getting somewhere, generating leads or nurturing your leads or actually driving sales to your offer. And just showing your clients that I am here for you, I care for you, not just thinking about yourself, making sales, selling products, generating leads, but showcasing your community that, you know what, I listen to you. And listening is a critical skill online. That is the most ultimate skill that you can possess. Why? You can always utilize your community's feedback on your live webinars to give you more content to document, to solve other people's pain point in a bigger, better, grander version.